Hey there, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use ChatGPT to earn money. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI, and today I will be showing you how to use its capabilities to make some cash. Step 1. Sign up to get started. You'll need to sign up for an account on a platform that offers ChatGPT services. There are many different platforms out there, so you'll want to do some research to find the one that works best for you. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to access the ChatGPT services. Step 2. Explore ChatGPT capabilities. Now that you're signed up, it's time to explore its capabilities. It can answer questions, generate text, provide recommendations, and much more. Think about the services you'd like to offer and how you can use ChatGPT capabilities to provide those services. Step 3. Create list of services you want to offer. Once you've explored ChatGPT capabilities, it's time to create your offerings. Think about the services you want to offer and how much you'd like to charge for them. You can offer services like writing blog posts, creating social media content, or providing customer support. Whatever you choose, make sure that it's something you're passionate about and that you can deliver high-quality work. Step 4. Promote your services. Now that you've created your offerings, it's time to start promoting your services. Reach out to your network, post on social media, and consider paid advertising to get the word out. Be sure to highlight your unique value proposition and why clients should choose you over your competitors. Step 5. Deliver quality work. Once you start getting clients, it's essential to deliver high-quality work. Remember that your reputation is on the line, and delivering subpar work will harm your chances of getting repeat business. Take time to understand your clients' needs, communicate clearly, and always strive to exceed expectations.